OPPO has confirmed launch plans for the Watch 4 Pro, roughly a week on from the publication of initial teasers. To recap, OPPO revealed that the Watch 4 Pro would utilize the same chipset as its predecessor. However, Qualcomm has not revealed the Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 or equivalent yet, which leaves OPPO with no choice but to use the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1. Additionally, OPPO outlined that the Watch 4 Pro would feature 2 GB of RAM, ECG capabilities, and a skin temperature sensor, among other changes from last year's model. Now, the company has teased that the Watch 4 Pro will combine the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 with a HES 2700 coprocessor to deliver up to 5 days of battery life. Moreover, the Watch 4 Pro has a stainless steel housing, eschewing the aluminium alternative that OPPO uses in the Watch 3 Pro. This year's smartwatch also has a more pronounced digital crown, which should make it easier to use than the more flush alternative in the Watch 3 Pro. Furthermore, OPPO has equipped the Watch 4 Pro with a 16-channel blood oxygen sensor for improved health tracking. OPPO will showcase the Watch 4 Pro in China on August 29 at 14:30 Central Standard Time, 6:30 Universal Time Coordinated. While it is unclear whether OPPO plans to offer the smartwatch globally, it will debut alongside the Find N3 Flip during the same event.